Hey guys, so we're back. We were out for a couple of weeks. Mike had to go away for work, but we did get a bit of work done last weekend. We got the whole front of the frame finished. Got one of the front cross members in. We'll put the transmission cross member in when we obviously put the engine and the transmission in. As you can tell, we already have the bed laid out and the frame off the frame table. We won't jump ahead too quick to that because that's going to be in the next video. So this will just be a quick little one with how we built the front of the frame, and next time we'll get into the nitty-gritty of taking that guy apart and putting it on that.